50% of the Indian adults are not having a proper retirement plan. So here is the particular analysis done by SEBI. SEBI's investor survey in 2015 it has done. So when they have done this particular survey, you can see on the screen, people are investing for retirement as their 7th priority. It's not their first priority, friends. It's their 7th priority. And before retirement, there are so many reasons why people are investing. Some people are investing for capital gains. That means only for profits. They don't have a proper goal. Some people are investing for a improved lifestyle. Some people for liquidity needs, for whenever they want immediate money. Some people home buying, education. See, but retirement is the goal, is the reason which is coming in their priorities as 7th. But friends, any particular goal in your life, you can take a loan. You can take a loan and fulfill that goal. But retirement is one goal where you will not be provided a loan. So that's a very, very important goal, friends. But as per the survey, people are having the 7th priority. I definitely and I strongly believe that you don't want to be one among them. You don't want to be among those 50% of the retirement, 50% of the people who doesn't have retirement plan goals. Okay, friends. So whoever is interested, whoever this particular percentage of people are saying that yes, I want financial discipline, definitely we will convert that interest into a commitment, friends. We will convert the interest into a commitment. Our job is to define your goals and guide you to achieve those goals. Ventura Succeeder will define your goals and objectives and guide you to achieve those goals, friends. So we have a particular process, 3-step process. So in this particular process is client centric, process driven and knowledge based. So this 3-step process will show you why do I have a plan, why to plan and what to plan and how to manage the plan. This particular 3-step process, you can change your financial operating system, friends. You can change your financial operating system. That means you will be habituated to earn more. You will be habituated to save more, and you will be habituated to achieve your financial goals consistently.